sa mga check-in agent, mga passenger service agent, customer service agent, or mga tinatawag na ground staff sa airport. May hiring sa Budapest, Hungary. Ang sahod aabot ng 660 euro. Pag kinonvert to sa peso, nasa 41,000 pesos. Maliit lang yung bigay pero hindi ko sure kung free na yung transpo and accommodation. So pagdating sa interview, itanong nyo to. Sa mga interested, apply until December 13. At ito yung job description. Checking in the passenger for their flight. Determining the charge for overweight baggage, directing the passengers through the cashier, or collecting charge at the ticket counter. Check the validity of the passengers' tickets. Check passport validity and visa. Serving the passengers at the ticket counter in accordance with instructions. At ito naman ang mga qualifications. A minimum of 2 years working experience is required. Candidates must be at least bachelor's or college degree holder in airline transport, hospitality or tourism management, others or similar field, with good English communication